need to be little faster. Kanak, Sakshi. Ravit is entering now. I can see 18 participants.
मैम आज रवित का बर्थडे है।
रवित का बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे रवित।
हैप्पी बर्थडे रवित।
हैप्पी बर्थडे रवित।
हैप्पी बर्थडे रवित।
Let's start my class, children.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning, beta. I'm just checking on the names of the children who have not yet entered. Akib, Akul, Aman, Divesh, Harshabad, Asad, Mokshika, Nija, Nikhil, Ragini, Sneha, Sohan Das, Swamita Pal, Radhika Sharma. Sohan is entering. We need to be faster, children. Akib is also entering. I'm physically also marking your attendance.
हैप्पी बर्थडे रवित।
From everybody's side, Ravit, we wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you, beta. Put your audios off, children. Audios off. Otherwise, I'm going to put your audios off. Don't worry. Prabnoor, you all know it creates problem for others. Put your videos on and audios off.
मैम ऑडियो
Hurry up, children. 4 minutes have gone fast just for taking attendance and making you enter. Last time we did word problems. Were you all able to solve those word problems? Were you all able to solve the word problems of exercise 2.2? I'm asking you something, children.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, whatever word problems, we framed few of the equations. And I told you people to solve those equations. Were you all able to solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will continue with the same.
Excuse me,
We'll
ma'am.
continue with the same. Nija is entering now. Hurry up, hurry up. Nija. Dev, हाँ जी बोलो बेटा. Dev.
मैम जो आपने एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन भेजे थे ना मैम, उनमें से एक में डाउट है मैम, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
I discuss. Today again I'm going to send you few questions which I have already sent to 8th B. I'm going to send you more questions. I'm going to send you more questions.
मैम मुझे एक समझ में नहीं आया.
हाँ बेटा, I'll discuss. Don't worry. I'll discuss.
ओके मैम.
You're talking about word. I did not send you word problems. I sent you simple questions. Dave, I did not
Yes,
send
ma'am.
yet. I did not send you word problems. I sent the simple solution questions, equation questions.
जिस मैम उनमें से एक समझ में नहीं आया था.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा. You can either you can send me on WhatsApp. I'll solve it. The whole class will understand from there. Okay?
ओके मैम. हम ग्रुप पे ना.
हाँ जी बेटा, class group.
ओके मैम.
Now I am starting with the same exercise. I am going to start with continuing with the same exercise. Further questions will be discussed and we'll be framing equations. As I told you last time also, my main focus is on framing of equations. And solution part my children can do now. Harshabad is entering now. Harshabad, please. You need to be little punctual, children. Harshabad and Samita are entering now. So right now we don't have Ragini in the class. Nikhil, Mokshika, Divesh. Divesh is here. Do we have Divesh? Dave, do we have Divesh in our class right now?
Ma'am, let me check.
No, Aman. 4-5 people are not here. Now the first question I am going to start today is this one. The base of an are you all able to see the questions on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I can see 27 children right now. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4/2 by 15. Perimeter of the triangle is 4/2 by 15. What is the length of either side of the remaining equal sides? Somebody has to tell me first. Before doing this question, we need to know the properties of isosceles triangle. Vaibhav, what is the property of isosceles triangle? Vaibhav, what is isosceles triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the properties of isosceles triangle? Any property you remember about isosceles triangle?
Ma'am, same. Two sides are same, and one side is shorter than other two sides.
It can be longer also. One side is different than the other two sides. So the base is given and equal two sides are to be found. Is the question clear to you people? You can show it by thumb if the question is clear. Is the question clear, children? So I am starting with the solution. Let the equal sides, you will be writing side by side. And I told you last time also, please copy down the question before you come to the class. Let the equal sides be of x centimeter. Now, and the base is given as base is equal to 4 by 3. You will be writing in fractional form. Right now, I am not able to write in fractional form in SMS Word. Now, according to question, what is given to us? Somebody will tell me. What is given to us? Sneha, what is given to us? Sneha, Samita, what is given to us?
Ma'am, base angle 4.3 centimeter and the perimeter.
Not base angle, beta, base, measurement of base. This is not angle, it is a measurement of the base. Length of the base, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Length of the base is given and perimeter is given. Now I have supposed what base is same. I have supposed two equal sides to be of x centimeter. Can I write the formula of perimeter? Somebody will tell me the formula of perimeter. Nija, what is the formula for perimeter of, to find the perimeter of isosceles triangle? If you don't know, you can say, I don't know. I can ask the other child. What is the perimeter of Hardik, perimeter of isosceles triangle?
Ma'am, add the three sides.
Very good. What was the difficulty in it? Add all the three sides, two sides, and suppose x and x, and third side is 4 upon 3, and that should come out equal to 4, 2 by 15. You are going to solve it yourself faster. I'll also solve with you. Faster. Start solving, children. X plus x will become 2x plus 4 by 3 is equal to what is 4 2 by 15. What is 4 2 by 15? Somebody will tell me. What is 4 2 by 15? I want everybody to answer. Saksham, bolo.
Ma'am, 62 upon 15.
62 upon 15. 15. 62 upon
Yes.
15. Now I have to shift. Now I have to shift 4 by 3 on the RHS. I have to shift this 4 by 3 in RHS. Now, how should we solve? Somebody is going to solve for me. Solve RHS, children. Solve RHS. Jaskirat, solve RHS and tell me the answer. What do you get in RHS?
LCM 15.
Jaskirat.
Ma'am, LCM 15.
जल्दी जोर से बोलो बेटा.
LCM 15.
हाँ जी, उसके बाद
मैम 420 बन जाएगा.
620, 62 minus 4 to the 4 for the 16. No, you think 15 is LCM. 4 5s are 3 5s are 15. 20 divided by 15. Ragini is entering now. Ragini late. Hanji Bhavya Sethi, what were you getting? You were raising hand. What were you getting? Bhavya Sethi, क्या आ रहा था बेटा आपका आंसर?
14 to 2x. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
2x.
x is equal to 84 upon 15.
2x is equal to बोलो क्या आएगा?
Equal to 42 upon
42 upon 15. Very good. Now again this 2 will be shifted.
Ma'am, x is
Again
equal
this
to
2 will be
84 upon
shifted.
15.
What do you get?
84 upon 15.
84 it will get in multiplication. No. Will it go in multiplication? Somebody else will say.
And multiply 1 by 2.
Anji, multiply by 1 by 2. So what will happen if I multiply by 1 by 2? It is like this. 42 upon 15 multiplied by 1 by 2. I am not able to show you fractions here. You are going to use proper fractions. What do we get if I multiply 42 upon 15 with 1 by 2? Dave, what do you get?
Ma'am, I got
7
7
by
ma'am.
15.
Ma'am, 1 2 by 5.
5.
15 I mean. Ma'am, 1 2 by 15.
Just solve this much. 42 upon 15 into 1 by 2. What do you get? 21 upon 15 first. 21 upon 15.
Yes, ma'am.
7 upon
Then
3.
Yes, ma'am.
it will go by 3. It will go by 3. Numerator and denominator. 7 by 5. Are you all getting the answer 7 by 5, Saksham?
Yes, ma'am.
Saksham,
Yes, ma'am.
you're
Yes,
getting 7
ma'am.
by 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you'll also sum up. Divesh, any query beta? Divyansh, any query?
No, ma'am.
Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Somita, any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please unmute yourself once you have answered. Therefore, what have they asked? They have asked what is the length of either of the remaining equal sides. Therefore, the length of either remaining equal sides is 7 by 5 centimeter. Anji Dev, any query?
यस मैम।
हाँ बोलो बेटा।
मैम मैंने एक क्वेश्चन मैम एलसीएम वाला मेथड लेके करा था मैम, वो चलेगा?
Both are, you're getting the same answer. We have taken LCM only.
Yes, ma'am.
Child, I have taken LCM only. It's not visible because I have not put the line here. We'll be showing LCM only.
ओके मैम।
Put your hands down if you don't have queries. Bhavya, Anji, Riyansh, any query, beta?
मैम हम बीच में आके हम ऑर्डर मतलब मेरी ऑर्डर डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी, हमको समझ नहीं आया 62 by 15 कैसे आया।
कैसे आया क्या? 62 ऐसे आया। 15 4 the 60, 60 plus 2.
हाँ मैम।
ठीक है? Okay?
ओके मैम।
Very good. Now, can I move to the next part? Riyansh, any other query? Put your hand down if there is no query. Okay, children. Let's move to the next part. Let me see the next problem. The sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15. What do you mean by the word exceeds, Harshabad? What do you mean by the word exceeds?
Subtracted.
जोर से बोलो बेटा. I'm not able to hear.
Subtracted.
Exceeds. No. Sohan, any query बेटा?
मैम यस मैम, पिछले क्वेश्चन में मैम वो पूछना था कि हम उसे मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में नहीं करना था हमें।
Mixed ही है वो. It is mixed only. Okay, in the last you are saying it is fine. If you write in mixed, then it also it's fine. You don't write in mixed, then also it's fine. It's fine.
ओके।
Okay. Sohan, do you know the meaning of exceeds?
एक्सीड्स मतलब मैम इट इंक्रीजेस।
हाँ, एक दूसरे से बड़ा है, एक दूसरे से 15 बड़ा है, इसका मतलब ये है let the numbers be. पहला नंबर अगर हम x लेते हैं तो दूसरा x plus 15 होगा. If one exceeds the other by 15 का मतलब ये है कि पहला अगर x है तो दूसरा 15 होगा, x plus 15 होगा. Now what is given, Ansh? What is given? Ansh Sahdev. Ansh Sahdev, I am asking you. What is the condition given to us?
मैम सम दिया हुआ 95.
हाँ जी, कैसे करेंगे बेटा फिर?
मैम वो नहीं पता.
Kanak Sood, Kanak, how will we write the equation? How should I write the equation? See, if you're not answering me, it means you're not understanding. Sakshi. Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by 95 here? Did I write, have I written the correct equation? Have I written the correct equation? मैंने क्वेश्चन ठीक
Yes,
लिखी
ma'am.
है?
Yes, ma'am.
जल्दी सॉल्व करो. Hurry up, all of you solve. Start solving. Jaskirat, बोलो बेटा.
2x plus 15 equal to 95.
2x plus 15 is equal to 95.
2x is equals to 95 minus 15.
Very good. 95 minus 15. Then
2x equals to 80.
2x is equal to 80.
80.
Okay. What is the value of x we get? Let somebody else
40.
answer. Wait. 40. Wait. Now, Jaskirat, put your audio off. Let me ask somebody else. Sohan, हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम 80/2 हो जाएगा.
हाँ जी 80/2 हो जाएगा.
और फिर x = 40.
Very good. I hope my children are able to understand. The main focus here is how to frame equations. अगर आपको ये वाला portion सबसे important है यहाँ पर, let the numbers be this, and these two statements are the most important. These two statements are the most important. Once the children are able to frame this right, all of my children can solve further. Jaskirat, any query, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Put your
ma'am.
hands down if you don't have queries, children. Therefore, the numbers are, the last statement is very important. Therefore, the numbers are 40 and 55. 40 plus 15 is 55. So the numbers are 40 and 55. Can I move to the next part? Am I doing fast or the speed? You're able to manage with the speed? Sakshi, are you able to solve with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Prabnoor, are you able to solve with me? Sneha Manna, are you able to solve with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Laksh Kundra, are you able to solve with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, children. Now let's move to the next part. Next part is two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. Whenever a ratio question comes, this is also a technique how to suppose the numbers. In all these word problems, I want to teach all of you that how to suppose the numbers. Whenever a ratio comes, we suppose it like this. Let the numbers be, जो भी ratio दिया है, like 5x and 3x. Simple. आपको ऐसे ही suppose करना जो भी ratio दिया है question, ratio वाले question में. Okay? Once you have supposed, what do you mean by differ? What do you mean by the word differ? Somebody will tell the difference, meaning of differ. Somebody will tell me the meaning of differ. So, sweetie, what do you mean by the word differ? Sweetie,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you mean by the word differ? If they differ by
Minus. If we subtract.
very good. If we subtract the two numbers, their difference should come out 18. Now, what will be the bigger number here, Hardik? Which is the bigger number here?
मैम 3x नहीं 5x bigger और 3x smaller है.
Very good. 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. Solve it faster. It's very easy. It's very easy. We get x as 9. So for the numbers, but the numbers are not 9. Therefore, the numbers are, somebody will tell me the numbers. Divyansh, what are the numbers?
5x is 45 and
Very good.
3x is 27.
27. Very good. Let's clap for him. Very good. This line is important, children. First two lines, then solution part, then last statement. Every word problem will be judged by these things. Once we have to learn how to suppose, then we have to learn how to frame equation. Lakshit has raised his hand. Lakshit, any query, beta? Lakshit. Haji Lakshit, any query?
मैम वो मुझे आंसर देना था.
ठीक है, आंसर यही आ रहा था आपका भी. Are you getting the same answer? लक्षित यही आंसर आ रहा था आपका. Okay. Hurry up, children. If you have copied, I will start to the next question. Akul, can I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have done. Akib, have you done?
हाँ मैम.
ठीक है बेटा. I am moving to the next question now. Ragini, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Sixth question. Let me see sixth question. What is sixth question? The three consecutive numbers. What do you mean by the word consecutive? Somebody will tell me this first.
एक
Sohan?
साथ आने वाले.
एक साथ आने वाले. एक साथ आने वाले.
लगातार.
एक साथ आने वाले continuation में आने वाले. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 like this. So how do we suppose these numbers? This is also a, we have to learn this. How do we suppose? How do we suppose consecutive numbers? Sohan, bolo.
Ma'am, we will add each consecutive numbers is equals to 51.
I am asking how do we suppose these numbers? Let the three consecutive numbers. How will we suppose? I am asking this. Suppose कैसे?
Ma'am, x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2.
Supposing these numbers like
X plus 2
they are normal
is
numbers.
equals to 51.
But wait. They are normal numbers. So we are supposing like x plus 1, x plus 2. अगर ये even numbers होते तो इनका suppose करने का तरीका अलग होता. Odd होते तो उसका तरीका अलग होता. I will teach you that question also in case they're not in your books. Still I'll take extra questions. I'll explain you. Hardik, बोलो बेटा. Hardik, any query?
मैम वो बता रहा था मैम x plus 1 x plus 2 वाला.
Very good. Equation will be framed as, बोलो आप बोलते जाओ आप.
मैम x plus 1 x plus 2 is equal to 51.
बीच में प्लस भी आएगा ना बेटा. प्लस भी आएगा ना. आपने प्लस नहीं बोला शायद. Is equal to 51. Solve it. All of you can solve. All of you can solve. All of you can solve easily. All of you can solve. Solve it. Dave, have you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the answer you got?
Ma'am, 16, 17, and 18.
Very good. Correct. I want everybody to do. They can check with me in case they have any query. They can ask me. I am doing all the steps. I am doing all the steps. What is 48 divided by 3?
16.
48 divided by 3 is 16. So the first number is 16. Okay? Because x is the first number. Consecutive means सबसे पहले, फिर उसके बाद, फिर उसके बाद. Therefore, the three consecutive integers are 16, 17 and 18. If anybody has any query till here, he or she can raise his hand. I will ask. If anybody has any query, he or she can raise his hand. I will try to solve your doubts in case anybody has any query. Can I move to the next part? One more part we can do.
কমই দেখছো তো
আরে এক্ষুনি হচ্ছে বাড়ি ছিলাম বেশি বেড়ে
आगे वाले क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट है बेटा. लास्ट के 2-3 क्वेश्चन are not very easy ones. 14, 15, 16 are not easy ones. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8. That's why I am doing in the class, because they all are of different types. हाँ जी, somebody has raised the hand. हार्दिक बोलो कैसे सपोज करेंगे नंबर्स?
मैम एक तो ले लेंगे x और एक मैम एक x इंटू 8, फिर x इंटू 8 इंटू 8, और मैम फिर तीसरा x इंटू 8 की पावर 3।
नो 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 नो, बेटा क्या करते हैं ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में, पहले लो 8x, जो भी मल्टीपल जिसका निकालना है, फिर लिखो 8x प्लस 8, ठीक है, फिर लिखो 8x प्लस 16। अगर यहाँ पे मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 होता तो 3x, 3x प्लस 6, 3x प्लस 9। मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 होता 4x, 4x प्लस 4, 4x प्लस 8। ओके, हाँ जी देव, एनी क्वेरी? देव, एनी क्वेरी? सोहन, एनी क्वेरी? सोहन,
मैम इसमें 8x क्यों लिखा हमने?
क्योंकि
मैम इसमें
मल्टीपल ऑफ 8 है, मल्टीपल ऑफ 8, दैट नंबर शुड बी मल्टीपल ऑफ 8। सोहन बोलो बेटा। सोहन, आई हैव अनम्यूटेड यू, बोलो।
8x फिर 8 ब्रैकेट में x प्लस 1, फिर
हाँ वो भी ले सकते थे, वो ही सेइंग 8 यहाँ रख के ब्रैकेट में लिख लो 8 x प्लस 1 x प्लस 2, वो एक दिस वन द सेम थिंग, so one the same thing. Now their sum, question says their sum is 8 8 8. Now I have to add 8x plus 8। देव समझ आया बेटा कैसे लिया? देव, हाँ जी, वेरी गुड, इज इक्वल टू 8 8 8। सॉल्व इट चिल्ड्रन, सॉल्व इट, प्लीज सॉल्व इट, सॉल्व इट फास्टर। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आने से पहले 8 9 10 11 12, 8 9 10 11 12 कॉपी करके आएंगे क्वेश्चंस पहले से ही कॉपी में। क्वेश्चन शुड बी नोटेड डाउन, यू मस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन बिफोर यू कम हियर। भाव्या बोलो, भाव्या सेठी।
मैम ये समझ नहीं आया, 8x क्यों लिया, 8x प्लस 16?
8x इसलिए लिए बेटा, मल्टीपल ऑफ 8।
वो फर्स्ट 3 मल्टीपल्स है ना,
ठीक है, 8x इसलिए लिया, 8 के मल्टीपल लेना था। दूसरा मल्टीपल क्या होगा 8 का, उसमें 8 ऐड कर दो। तीसरा मल्टीपल क्या होगा, उसमें फिर 8 ऐड कर दो। ठीक है, अगर यहाँ आपको मैंने एग्जांपल दिया ना कि अगर यहाँ पे 3 होता तो हम लेते 3x, 3x प्लस 3, 3x प्लस 6। अगर 4 होता तो लेते 4x, 4x प्लस 4, 4x प्लस 8। ओके, now it is 8x plus 8x plus 8x, 24x plus 24 is equal to 8 8 8। hurry up children, fast solve yourself, hurry up। 24x is equal to 8 8 8 minus 24। somebody will tell me the answer faster। very good, Sneha has done। Sneha bolo।
Ma'am, the answer is 36.
First tell me how to, what do you get when you subtract 24 from 8 8 8?
I'm 864.
864, very good। Now she is saying answer is 864 divided by 24. What is the value of x you are getting? Somebody will tell me the value of x. Prabnoor, what is the value of x?
Ma'am, 36.
What is the value of x? 36.
36.
36 you are saying? Let me check. Divide by 36. Now find the value of 8 into 36. What is 8 into 36? Hardik, what is 8 into 36?
Ma'am, 288.
Very good. Therefore, the three numbers are 36 into 8 is the first number. 288. 288. And next number is 288 plus
Ma'am.
8. What is 288 plus 8?
296.
296. And the next number is going to be
304.
304. Very good. Anybody has any query till here? I need to talk to you in the last moment. We will be doing till question number 7th only today. Next time before you come here, you must copy down 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Next 5 questions will be solving in the next class. Next 5 questions will be solving in the next class. Okay, beta? Can I change the view? Can I change the view? Yes, children. One more thing. One more thing. Have you all given the test in your computer exam, computer class? You all know how to copy down the if a link is given to you, how to copy down and perform the test?
Yes ma'am, URL तो कॉपी करना होता है उसको फिर गूगल पे आके
कॉपी पेस्ट करना है
गूगल पे आके पेस्ट करना है
आपने दिया है सबने टेस्ट किया है?
मैम।
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
मैम बस कल एक दिक्कत आई थी। वो दिक्कत आई थी कल ना, हमने ना उस पर गूगल फॉर्म पे साइन इन नहीं किया हुआ था, तो एसएसटी का टेस्ट आ गया। अब साइन इन कर दिया।
करा हुआ था, साइन इन करा हुआ था।
मैंने 8 सीने डाली हुई थी, 8 सीने डाली हुई थी क्लास में।
So you all, we are also planning to give you a test for mathematics. That's why I am asking you. There will be time limit also. I'll give you the link in class, and that paper will be done in 20-25 minutes. I'll put the timer
मैम सुनो, मैम अगर आपने, मैम बात तो सुनो, मैम अगर आपने ना इस हमारे क्लास में ना भेज के अगर आप हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेजोगे ना, तो उसको कॉपी पेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी। व्हाट्सएप पे हम डायरेक्ट उस लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे, खुल
बेटा
जाएगा
मुझे
टेस्ट।
Zoom क्लास में ही लेना है, because I have to record that how you are doing. You have to put your videos on.
मैम सिलेबस?
Your syllabus is chapter 1.
मैम चैप्टर 1?
हाँ जी, चैप्टर वाइज देंगे हम।
मैम Zoom पे क्लिक करो, वो खुलता ही नहीं है।
आपको